Hey everyone, Michael here. Hope you guys are all having a good day. Today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and a few other markets. I want you guys to see what's about to happen because we're on the verge of a pretty large move here, which could be very lucrative, I guess you could say, right? So one of the things you guys have to understand is we're still dealing with this level of resistance right here, but we've managed to hold on to this basic upward trend. And on top of that, you guys know I love my moving averages. That 20 moving average right here on the weekly charts, it managed to hold. Even the box zone right here managed to hold, which is pretty nice. So what I'm expecting over the next few hours here or days is there's a chance for a small breakout to occur right over here. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult depending on how you guys are looking at it. But you want to see a breakout here. Really, you just want to see the breakout above the 50-day moving average. That would get us zooming back up here just to around $31,000 or so. After that, it really depends on if the whales are going to be able to push us through, because if they're not, we're going to be still crashing back down, and you'll see us back down around $28,000, $27,000 by the end of next week. So we're at a lucrative, we're at an important point here, basically. We still haven't broken down below this trend line right here going up. So things are still looking pretty good. I know we've been talking about how the stock market's been kind of overextended and things like that, but the crypto market has had a few weeks of cooling off, so to speak, and we're still in a nice uptrend, okay? As long as that's the case, Bitcoin should be fine. We might see a little bit more of a divergence where Bitcoin's going up for 1 week and the rest of the market's coming back down, okay? Now, that might actually happen more next week, but we'll see for this week as well. So, as we go over here to the NASDAQ, same type of concept. We're at a major level of resistance. I know people were panicking a lot last week, saying this this run that we've said right here, or we saw right here, is over. It's not over just yet. It's really going to have to break down right here. And when that breakdown happens, then you guys would be very happy to open up any puts that you guys are thinking about. Same when it comes to the SPY. The SPY's had multiple breakouts here, all leading to some really good weeks and days after it. We still haven't had a breakdown below this former level of support right there, and we really haven't even come close to this next breakout. It seems like if you guys are trying to time major breakdowns, they're probably not going to happen until September or October. That's for the SPY. NASDAQ seems to be over here by early September, you could say. Maybe if we bump back up here, that goes more maybe to mid-September. And then, of course, Bitcoin, what we're looking at here, this one could happen a lot earlier. But again, look at NASDAQ. Look how high it's come back up. It's had a few bad weeks. Bitcoin's pretty much just been chilling and kind of going sideways for a while now. Hopefully, Bitcoin can have that next big move here. Now, one other thing here that I think you guys are going to enjoy is the dollar index. The dollar index has been able to break out again. Now, of course, we're testing out some of those levels of resistance. I know I should actually limit how far those lines go, but I don't care. You can see we're still on an uptrend here. Came pretty close to breaking down below it. And right here, we're testing out the 200 daily moving average. If we manage to break out above that, and then we start going into a more bullish trend here, that may actually help out Bitcoin just a tad, but the stock market may take a little bit more of a hit. So we have a while before this really needs to break out. If you guys are hoping for Bitcoin to maybe have a larger move, let's go over here to the monthly charts, get rid of everything just for you guys here. And you guys can see how we've slowed down just a little bit, but we're almost back above the 20-month moving average. I don't put too much stock into it, but when you see this compared to all the other charts like Bitcoin monthly charts and things like that, you can see the Bitcoin monthly chart is also just doing fine. We're just kind of been going sideways here. Dow Jones, a lot of sideways action until we broke out last month. SPY broke out last month, and NASDAQ right here didn't really have so much of a breakout, but it really hasn't had much time to consolidate, to be frank. It's just kind of been going up and up and up with this new AI bubble coming along. But let me know what you guys are thinking right now. Right now, I'm just thinking of taking some longs here and having some fun with it. That we're very, very close to having a big breakout here. Usually when I'm buying in this situation, because Bitcoin technically hasn't broken out yet, I will be looking for altcoins that are near moving averages. So you look for Matic. Matic is ready to pop. Bitcoin Cash ready to pop. BNB ready to pop. You see a lot of coins here ready to pop in the short term here. Dogelon Mars not ready to pop. Gala ready to pop right here. You know, Sushi token. Oh, there's no resistance. Let me go to weekly chart. It's getting close to popping right here. So we do have some opportunities here. Let's go back over to comp. All right. This one not so much. But I guess, yeah, it already rallied up a crazy amount, didn't it? But yeah, so there is some opportunities here, but if you guys wanted to do a safe play, I'm usually in favor of going with Matic. Bitcoin Cash has had a big run over the past few weeks as well, and this one's geared up to go at 2. Both of these I believe you can find on Robinhood, and you guys know how I love my Robinhood crypto coins. They usually boom a lot more than other tokens. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. My tooth is still kind of hurting, or the area where I had surgery in my mouth, but I think I'm good enough to stream tonight, so I will see you guys probably around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock tonight. Thanks. Today's video is sponsored by Fairdesk, a premier crypto exchange specializing in futures, spot, and copy trading. Use my link to join today and enjoy special perks, including extremely low fees. Dive into the future of trading with Fairdesk, where you can copy the best traders around.